I think I'm the only one who has to work tomorrow.
Actually, yeah. All right, let's do it.
Bottoms up,
Bottoms up, boy. Look at this eclectic kid. What are those? Yeah. Hello. Oh, hi. I'm paying for a drink. Check out the new dude. Oh. Fresh. So fresh. Yeah.
Saturday.
Saturday with the boys.
With the boys hang out.
Yeah. Looks good.
Looks pretty.
Looks really good. Bang.
It's so pretty. Very pretty.
It's taken me like 20 minutes to put on 2 bottle cages. Look like 20 minutes to just like, you know.
In the bike shop. Fired!
Yeah, totally.
Nah, you haven't done it. Come on, Will! No, it's still blinking.
Nick's just like, this is so painful to watch. Yeah, so that just is really quick flicker. Really quick flicker.
I think it should be made. Go change the gear then. Nah, other way. Other one. Bump.
Is it still blinking?
Yeah, it's still blinking.
Hold that button until it doesn't stop. It will stop. Yep.
Okay, now try.
Nah, other one.
Oh. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yes. Alright, moment of truth. How much this beast's gonna weigh?
So Nick is 7.3, Will is 7.9, Dan 7, I'm 7.7, Glenn's 8.1.
Whoever loses,
It's Etap hydraulic disc. Okay, let's go.
whoever loses the most off has to scale a beer.
Skull down a beer. That is light. Now wait, the wheel's touching. The wheel's touching. Wait, do it again. No way. No way.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh.
7 point.
See, he knows it. He does it too.
37.
7.37.
Why?
He knows
So,
it well.
yes.
Damn, that's light. Wow.
7.37, which means
That is light.
8.1.
The winner.
That's ridiculous.
I did put my balls on the line and have the first guess, mind you.
Open one up.
That's so light.
Open one up. Do you want counters or that?
Keep it rolling.
Keep it rolling.
Wait, let him choose a beer at least.
I think I'm the only one who has to work tomorrow.
Actually, yeah. All right, let's do it.
Bottoms up.
Bottoms up, boy. Oh wow, he's enjoying that.
Whoa. I think it's our loss. He's enjoying it.
Yeah.
Clean. Oh.
Nice. And he took that down easy.
Too easy.
Wow.
Yeah. Nice. Damn, that's pretty good. That's fair.
That's Nick. I reckon that's 7.3.
The bike is almost built. We just need to rebleed it, switch the front rear brake, and it will be done. Dan pretty much put the cages together.
So I more or less build the bike.
Yeah, I put it together. What did you do, sir?
I held the bike.
Oh, okay.
Yep, that's the.
Wow.
What are you gonna do without it?
Wow. Okay.
So much footage from today.
It's back. Thank you for coming.
Thanks for having me.
And now we're gonna feast.
No.